Hi, I'm Kana Mom. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com.
Hey all, good morning! It is summer! And this is how we are presented with summer. Rain, rain, rain. Bah. And it's cooler as well. It's 15 degrees centigrade right now. So yeah, that's summer for you. So anyway, I'm on my way to the office, final work day of the week. And yeah, then it's weekend.
Cars over Amsterdam.
Long, tiring, boring day. And now back at HQ. Finally. Hey Chibi, what you doing? Chibi, what you doing? Sweetie? Hey, you got a toy there. You got a toy. A plush toy for Chibi, for Chibi, for Chibi. A plush toy for Chibi. For Chibi all the time. Yeah, sweetheart. Hey. Don't get out of the picture all the time, Chibi. Hey, yeah. Sweetie. Gonna watch a movie now. And the day has come to an end. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio!